Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to blur a face by using CapCut app. Let's start. At first you have to open your CapCut app. Then tap on new project. In here select a video or photo that you want to add and then put it on your timeline. Now tap on the main clip and make a duplicate version of it, and here tap on overlay to put it as a overlay over the main clip, and then tap on effect and in here put a blur effect on the overlay, search blur and then choose this one and then tap on the check mark. Here tap on the overlay again and then scroll like this. Now tap on mask and then you guys will find out a circle mask, and then you guys can put it on the face of the person that you want to blur. Then you guys can customize it like this. Here tap on the check mark and then you guys can blur the face of a person. So this is how you guys can blur face by using CapCut app. See how easy it is? We put lots of effort every day through videos to make your life better. If it helps, please subscribe and like. Until next time, bye bye.